Minister Narendra Modi embarked on a two-day visit to the Mauritius in the early hours of Monday. His visit, scheduled for the March 11 and 12, comes at the invitation of the Mauritius Prime Minister Naveen Chandra Ramagulam, and the primarily that is aimed in the participating of the country's National Day celebration. In his departure statement, Prime Minister Modi expressed optimism about the visit, deeming it an opportunity to open a new and bright chapter in the enduring partnership between the two countries, that is India and Mauritius. He also emphasized his commitment to further enhance cooperation with the Mauritius government across the various sectors. I look forward to the opportunity to engage with the Mauritius leadership to elevate our partnership in the all facets and strengthen our enduring friendship for the progress and prosperity of our people, as well as for the security and development in the Indian Ocean region as part of our vision, Sagar, he added. Sagar stands for security and growth for all in the sector and the region. The Prime Minister said that the close and historical people-to-people connection between the two sides is a source of shared pride. He noted that significant strides have been made in the past 10 years between the two sides that have been people-centric initiatives. I am confident that this visit will build on the foundation of the past and open a new and bright chapter in the India and Mauritius relationship. Also, Prime Minister Modi added during his visit to the island nation, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate over 20 India-funded projects ranging from capacity building to community-linked infrastructure, the official said. Additionally, he is also expected to announce new major infrastructure projects aimed at strengthening democracy in the Southeast African island nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, alongside his Mauritian counterpart Naveen Ramagulam, also will jointly inaugurate the newly constructed Civil Services College building, built at an approximate cost of USD 4.75 million. The project is a symbol of India's support in strengthening governance and institutional capacity in Mauritius. The foundation of this collaboration was laid with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding, that is MOU, in 2017, further emphasizing India's role in the grassroots development. Prime Minister Modi will also inaugurate the Area Healthcare Center and 20 community projects across Mauritius.